So, thermostat, they get ran, wires through returns, perfectly legal. You can never run that wire in supply, only returns. Except what I have learned through home performance in my years. You see that? That's a big old hole going up in the wall. Fits thermostat wire. One big hole. Just makes life easy. Except when you can feel the draft from there, or now you got to where you have that hole back there, should have a little ceiling, so you're not trying to suck the air or cold air directly around here and adding time to your furnace run time. Plus with that draft I was feeling and that hole here, if it can suck air through there, well, where else do you think it's going to suck air, especially if there's a slight draft? Because you go straight to the attic there, depending on the construction and framing, is going to dictate that performance there. So if you want to have a little better run time, I used to just take Armorflex insulation, seal that up. Armorflex or caulk can seal that up down there. Bada bing, bada boom, you have a better performing system. Like and subscribe.